got it. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. Today, we are going to be picking up the roll cage. Well, it's not technically a roll cage, it's a half cage. No, it's a harness bar, but it's not. It's more than a harness bar, it's like a half cage. Anyways, we're picking that up from American Dream Powder Coating out here in Fairfield, California. Huge shout out to them. I just got a call yesterday that it's all done. He says it looks amazing. I'm actually going to be dropping off a case of yerba mate to them. My locker just got restocked, so we got Revelberry now, so that's awesome. It's not just all blue for you. Also, another cool thing for the Civic came in. What came in for the Civic, Jay? I'm glad you asked. This came in. What is this? This is carpet for the Civic, because the old carpet was all beat. So we have a new cut pile, so that's gonna go in here pretty soon. Besides that, so that's gonna go in there pretty soon, and then we could start piecing back the interior of the car. Again, if you haven't been following this series, this is the surprise 87 Civic SI race car track build for my uncle. Surprise, but he doesn't know what the car looks like yet. We're gonna reveal it to him, etc., etc. Now that we have the carpet, we could just drop that in there, start piecing together the interior once again. If you haven't been following the build, go check it out. There's a playlist on our channel. I'll link it in the description or something. But yeah, so we're gonna head over there now and pick up that roll cage and go from there. So I'll see you there. Taking the 4Runner, obviously. Just made it here to American Dream Powder Coating. Gonna go in and see this roll cage, maybe. Oh, JB! How's it going?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, good. Woo! Woohoo! Looks good.
There you go.
How was it? Easy? Hard? It fit?
Yeah, it fit.
Nice. Dang, it looks good.
Nice,
Nice. We got the legs over there. Man, beautiful. Look at that. Roll cage came out. I'm trying to get the shadow off of my face. Hold on. There we go. Roll cage came out absolutely beautiful. They killed it. Definitely coming back here to get more stuff powder coated. Again, shout out American Dream Powder Coating. If I could get it to focus. Alright, I'm gonna say goodbye to our friend Jamie for helping us out. There's our beautiful little roll cage in the back. Jamie from American Dream Powder Coating did awesome. Definitely gonna take some other stuff back there. Maybe I'll get my wheels powder coated. Should have taken a look at what other colors they have. But I gotta get the lips refinished and all that first. But alright, so one piece down. Carpet's here. The car's ready to go back together besides a couple small things, but those could wait. So awesome, awesome. Hope you guys are enjoying the Civic content. Meet back up. Be back up when we're back home. Alright, y'all, we have just gotten back home and unloaded the roll cage. And I'm looking at it and it looks really nice. And I don't know if you guys saw the wheel video, but this cage should complement the wheels very nicely. I wanted Jamie to explain it while we were in there, but it was very loud. But Jamie is a super awesome guy. He just loves powder coating things, so it's awesome that he was able to do this for us. If you guys remember from when we first got the roll bar in, it was actually black. I thought it was powder coated. He thought it was powder coated. Turns out it was just like an anti-rust paint or something like that, because otherwise it would just be raw steel tubing. So there was a bunch of gouges and stuff in it, and we were worried it would show through on the powder coat. But luckily it was just paint. So he just paint stripped all of the bars. And then in order to make sure that these rear braces would fit, he masked this off, and it should slip on here nicely. And you can see the finish is just butter smooth, which is awesome. From here, I think we're actually gonna assemble it and mock it up for the car. Don't know if I'm gonna show you that, because again, this is a surprise build and I don't want to spoil anything, so we're kind of going dark with the project right now. Sorry guys, I know the content isn't exactly the most entertaining because of that, but it'll all be worth it in the end. So yeah, we're gonna go do that now. And then I think I'm gonna pull out this carpet and start to throw carpet into the car. So yeah. Alright, we mocked up the cage and I pulled out the carpet. It's kind of hard to see because it's black, obviously. New plush carpet. It feels like I'm holding a Rolls Royce or something. It feels really nice. The instructions say when you get it to unbox it and let it breathe, lay it on top of the other carpet. It's because it was all like tightly molded into that box so it could ship. So now I'm letting it air out so it could regain its shape, and we're going to toss it in the car. Looks good. Alrighty, y'all, I know this video was kind of short, a little uneventful, but I just wanted to show the cool new parts that we picked up. Bear with me as I'm trying to keep the content flowing as this project goes dark per se, because we're sprinkling on the finishing touches before the car is done. Later tonight, I'm gonna go pick up Mickey from the airport because the holidays are over, so he's coming back here since he's moved out here. So yeah, expect a lot more content when he's here. He's gonna help me out a ton. Really appreciated. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for this build. It's gonna come out awesome. And yeah, if you guys have any other cool video ideas, something you want to see us do, let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications. It's much appreciated. Alrighty, have a wonderful day. Peace.